Hi everyone, let's see how easily and very quickly we can add a signature element on our forms to collect signatures basically from our users. So I created a test form in my org here and let me close those tabs. And here I'm in my org right now in the test form that I created. And let's say I want to add a signature element on this form. I want to collect signatures from my clients. So if I want to do this, I just need to go to the form elements on the left side. And here you see there is this signature element here. I just need to drag and drop this on the form. Let's say I want to add this at the end of my form. And I can just say type your name here. If I want to, change the label, I can definitely do that. And signature parent record, I want this to be on this form. For example, we are using two different objects, account and contact. This could be any custom objects too, actually, but we have account and contact on this form. And I say, okay, I want this to be when there is a submission coming, through this form, I want the signature to be related to, let's say, the contact object, not the account object. So let's save this. And since everything is happening natively in my org right now, I don't need to do any field mapping. I don't need to even publish anything actually. My form is ready to share with my customers. So if I just go to the form sharing and click on the form URL, you see that my form is here ready with the signature elements added on the form. So let's see what's going to happen when I do a submission. Let's say I want to call this Hakan 3. I have many test submissions probably. So account name is going to be Hakan 3 when I do the submission. And let's select those options, account test, first name Hakan, last name Taimaz. Let's make those distinctive as well. And type your name. It gives me two options. I can either type my name for my signature here, or I can basically just draw the signature on the page. Even if I'm using a phone or an iPad or on my computer, I can sign it on the screen right away. And when I submit this form, what's going to happen? One more time, since on this form I have account and contact objects, when there is a submission, it will create an account record for me, and also it will create a related contact record for me. And in that contact record, I will store the signature that I'm collecting from my client. So let's do the submission. And if I go to the org and if I go to the sales cloud, let's go to the accounts. And as you see here, Hakan 3 account is created. And here I see a related contact record, Hakan 3 times 3. If I go there, I will see that there is a related attachment here, and it is coming from Hakan test form. This is the name of the form, and this is a signature. And I know when this form exactly was submitted. So when I collected this signature, what date and time exactly, I have all of those information here, and my signature is stored in this contact, and I know that this is related to this account as well. So this is how, again, easy and quick to add a signature element on your form. Of course, you can make it more official by adding a checkbox and some text, asking them to read your policies and things like that. You can add all of those things. But adding a signature element itself and collecting it and making it related to the records that you want in your Salesforce or natively is so easy and so quick. This is how it works. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next video.